Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, please do not forget to subscribe, and if you are a return customer, welcome back. Today I want to show you guys how to install Netflix application in your MacBook and other PC system, but mostly this is for MacBook, but it also works in your PC and iMac and all that. So first you go to netflix.com, then you click here.
Hello, boyfriend Snatcher.
Busy.
Right in your Mac, you click here. Right in your Google Chrome, you click this three dot here. You can see that here. Then you come straight to more tools. Under this more tools, you come to create shortcuts. Then you click create. Then you rename it. You give it your name. I'm giving it Netflix. What we are trying to do, we are trying to create an application through this Netflix site. You can see. Then you click open as Windows. You see, then create. Then immediately you can see the Netflix here. The Netflix is here now in your dock. Then also, once you come to the menu, you will have it here too. It's now here like other applications. You can see that. You can have it as your normal application, and then once you open it, it will open directly. It's not opening from the Chrome anymore. You can see open. It's open directly. Then you can watch. Then if you want to uninstall it, all you need to do, when you want to uninstall it, you go to your Spotlight. Then just search for Chrome apps. Then you can see here, then you right click, then you move to trash. Okay, then you move it to, if you move to trash now, it will disappear from here. You see, it's no longer here, it's out. So that is that. Please, if you find this video useful, kindly subscribe, drop a comment, like this video and share. Thank you.